Hello, so this is the result for the MyScriptureJournal web application. So this is the home page with this working, and privacy is MyScriptureJournal with the list of scriptures, and I can sort them. For example, I can do this, and they can change. Sorting by book. Sorting by book works, and I can sort by note date as well. It works as well. And I can search for scriptures. For example, I can find this or this, or I can find these ones. Or if, for example, I need to find with this word, then I click and it finds with this word. So that's how filtering works. So I can add a new scripture. For example, I will add this scripture, and with this date I can add it with this date, for example, and we can see that it has been added. I can edit it. For example, I can change for a different chapter, verse, and we can see that it has been changed, edited. I can see the details, and I can delete it, and it asks for confirmation, and I delete, and we can see that it has disappeared from the list. I will show that responsive layouts, they work as well. This is how it shows, and the table is like this for a responsive view, and images are responsive like this, and all the views, they are like this. So this works. And also, if to check to validate CSS, it will be like this. But I will show that these errors, they are because of Bootstrap that I use. For example, if I disable, if I comment out Bootstrap styles, then absolute majority of these errors will disappear as well. So it's because of Bootstrap. Mostly it's because of Bootstrap. So if I do this, and if I save it, I can reload the page. And if I close it, for example, and if I need to do something else just in case, to clear my cache, if I do this, clear data, if I start it again, and if I check CSS, if I validate CSS, many of the styles stopped working. It's because Bootstrap doesn't work. Now I disabled it. And if I check local CSS, do you see absolute majority of those errors disappeared? And this is one of those errors. Somehow it stayed. I don't know why, but it's also some in connection with that, maybe because of some other bootstrap that I use here. And also I can enable it again. I can return it, and those errors, if I enable it, they will return again. Those errors will return again. So I can try to do this and this and this. I can try to clear the cache again, and if I reload it, those errors will return again. Bootstrap errors, so to say. If I start it, and if I validate CSS, if I do this, those errors will return. Here they are again. And I can validate HTML as well. I can validate HTML. Here the results for validation HTML, only this error, but it's because I use this kind of font. It's just the name of the font. I need it in my application. It has this name, so this because of this name of this font that I use, which looks like this old style, so to say, old style font. So this is the result. This is the result for the application. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.